Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. It's A.N.D Camping Adventures. The A.N.D stands for Alan and Daisy. We going to do some solo camping, cooking. We'll have cooking, we'll do a little bit of everything. Hope y'all enjoy it. It's a new thing. I'm 63 years old and I figured it's time to get out and enjoy life a little bit. My wife's okay with it, so I'm gonna do it. And we hope y'all enjoy. We appreciate it. If you give us a thumbs up and tap that like button, share it out, subscribe. And we'll be back on here in a little bit. We're gonna cook up some food and might have some hamburgers and pork and beans. A hamburger and pork and beans tonight. In the morning we're gonna have sausage, homemade biscuits, gravy, and eggs. So be a lot going on. We're gonna do a little walk here in a little bit, show y'all around, and we'll get back up with you in a little while. Beautiful country over in here. Daisy's pulling me down this hill. Thought we'd let y'all get a look around. Got several trails. It's this is Purcell State Park in Indiana. But it's pretty. There's a squirrel down there. 2 or 3 of chipmunks. Was one right down there, but it's beautiful over in here. We're gonna be doing a lot of this winter. And Daisy. And we hope y'all enjoy it. Some of these trails, this one here is pretty rough, but a lot of woods. Daisy, she likes checking stuff out. Don't you, Daisy? Daisy. She's on a trail. She must have a chipmunk. All right, y'all, we're gonna get off here for a little while. We'll be back on here a little bit, cooking up something to eat. And we'll catch y'all in a little while. Okay, we're gonna get this pan hotted up. All down a little bit. We're going to cook up some hamburgers.
Drive down to the before we leave so you can see it.
You want in the camper? I mean, you want in the tent? We'll let them get to cooking and we'll be right back. While them's cooking, we'll clean this table up. I'll have to go get me some water here in a minute, wash my utensils and my cut board. Get something to eat fixed here first. Get a spot to sit and eat. Hope y'all like hamburgers and pork and beans, because that's what we're gonna have. Didn't have no can opener. I forgot my can opener. I had to cut the top on it. But what you do when you're out camping, you gotta figure a way out. Good old coffee. Well, we're starting to get some grease cooking up. How many of y'all out there like camping? Y'all leave me some comments, tell me what you think. Oh, Daisy's went in there and went to bed. She's waiting on supper. Daisy, what are you doing? You sleeping? Are you tired? Camping has wore her out. She's snoring. I'll wake you up when supper's done. Yeah, I locked my truck up while ago and left my window down, I guess. Had to roll it up. We got some sizzling going on now. And put some onion in there. Let this onion cook with it. Nicky had no cheese, so we won't have no cheese for the burgers. Best skillet in the country. This is Daisy's hamburger. Let them cook for a little bit more. Stoke this far a little bit. Let them cook for a little bit longer. They'll be ready to plate up. Fire just about went out on me. Had to get her stoked up a little bit. Moving about down. We'll get them plated up. Get that fire going good. Daisy. Hey, you better straighten up. Daisy's acting all tough. We'll be back in a few. Okay, we finally got that done. Let's sit down here and get ready to eat. How many of y'all like Miracle Whip on your beans? Pork and beans. This is Daisy's. Here, Daisy. But we're gonna try this burger out, see how good it is. Tastes like a hamburger. It's pretty good. You know, I'm hungry though. My dad used to do this all the time. He didn't like mayonnaise though. He was Miracle Whip. But he would pile that Miracle Whip on there. And that was pretty good. I mean, I liked Miracle Whip, and then I started using mayonnaise and give it a different taste and a whole lot better. Yeah, my onions taste good. Cooked on the stove. Or cooked on the fire. But I'm gonna finish this thing off here, and I'm gonna get back with you in a few. You can't bury it, Daisy. Need some water. Good morning. I promised y'all some cooking this morning, but we got, I'm not feeling up to it. Been sick all night, but got the coffee brewing. I think we do. Yeah. Got some coffee cooking in the pot. Hopefully it be brewing here in a few minutes. Everything got wetter than I don't know what last night. But this weekend, I promise, we'll have a breakfast cook. We'll do it over at my place. Then next week, I'm gonna be back out camping again. But it ain't over, day ain't over. We still got a little while to video, so we'll get this coffee percolating. We'll drink some coffee and talk about what we're gonna do here in the next few months. But yeah, we'll have a lot more good stuff coming. We got all winter. Ordered a new tent. It'll be in this weekend, so we're gonna try it out. It's a hot tent, and because that tent we slept in last night, it's not very good. It's cold. I'll give you a look at that. That dude right there it's cold dude. But pretty frosty. Not frosty, but damp out here. I'm hoping this coffee gets percolating pretty quick. Hopefully it gets to percolating. We've got the sun beaming in there. Pretty sunrise. I'm about to get me a better tripod. I got one, but I've put it up somewhere. coffee be percolating here. Looks like we got some brewing going on now. Ain't nothing like a good old hot cup of coffee brewed on an old coffee pot. Got that little old stove at Walmart. It's a Ozark Trail. It's got 2-in-1. It's got the grill top. You put a grill top on it. Or yeah, pretty nice. It's got the little grill top. It's a nice little thing. I know I ain't talking too loud, but we got people around next weekend. Well, this weekend we'll do a big breakfast cook and try the new tent out. Ain't nothing like a good old hot cup of coffee. Sitting around the fire. Should have fixed breakfast, but I don't know. We'll get her done this weekend. Y'all want a cup? But yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot of camping this winter. So I hope y'all tune in, join in. I know I'm an old guy, but us old guys like to do what you young guys do. So my camera looks like it's a little crooked. If it is, I'm sorry. I guess I could straighten it up a little bit. Let me see if I can. Sorry about all the smoke. Get this thing hotted up here. But we're going to have, I don't know, all kinds of videos. Well, camping videos. Solo camping, me and Daisy. I know my name, A.N.D. Camping Adventures. My wife, she thought up the name. Y'all tell me what you think about the name. The A.N.D. is Alan and Daisy. Alan and Daisy. Camping Adventures. Solo camping. I ain't new at camping, but I'm new at this kind of camping. We're going to try to get this channel up and going. Something I really want to do. I used to go with my dad. He used to drag us out every weekend. We go, he fished all his life. But he'd go every weekend fishing. Stayed just about all weekend. And he'd take us, and we used to walk up creek beds, I mean, for miles. And just slept on the rocks, had lanterns, take fishing poles, and we'd fish all night long. And we'd only stay one night, but when he went, he'd go all weekend. But it was fun. Some nights it was rough because you had to dig a hole in the rocks and sleep in a hole. You didn't have no covers. Built a fire. But there's some cool nights. You'd sleep right on the floor. Got a lot of smoke in this thing. Let me move y'all around a little bit. That might be better. Well, like I said, we had fun. But and my dad, he passed away last year. Well, I think it was October. 25th and 26th of this month. But I miss him. Miss my mom and my dad, but they taught me a lot of stuff. So, but don't want to ramble on about too much. But anyway, we're going to get a new, like I said, we're getting a new tent in, hopefully this weekend. We'll do a big breakfast. I hear a lot of chickens and ducks and goats, but we'll make it fun. And then the next week we'll be back out in the state park, but we'll be on back yonder way. This is a pretty it's a pretty good campground here. There ain't too many people in the winter time, so it won't be all that. They're mowing and everything this morning, but we'll be let's see, I think it's maybe 4 or 5 sites over. Then they got a bunch over here that's really pretty. But we'll have fun. But until then, till this weekend, and I want to wish all y'all a great day and a great tomorrow. And we'll see y'all this weekend, and hope you enjoy the video. By the way, my name's Alan. You got little Daisy in there. You'll be seeing a lot of us. So y'all give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share the channel, tell your friends, family. Leave us some comments telling me what you think about it, and I'd really appreciate it. Until this weekend, we'll see y'all later. One more thing. Y'all give me some heads up on, I don't know what all kinds of equipment you need, but I'd like to have y'all's feedback. Any of you solo campers out there, got any tips and tricks, just let me know. What good fire starters is, what kind of sleeping bags. I think the tent I'm getting is a hot tent. I'm planning on getting a stove. But y'all got any recommendations or on tents? Just leave it in the comments. Tell me what you think, and don't be shy. You're not gonna hurt my feelings on what I'm doing, you know. But I'm gonna start enjoying life. You might see my wife on here maybe once in a while if she wants to get out and go camping with me, but mostly it'd be me and Daisy. But I don't know. I just want to do something. This is what I want to do. I enjoyed it. It was fun. Sorry about the breakfast this morning, but we'll get her done this weekend. Love you guys. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave me some comments. Really want some comments. And tell your friends and share it out. We'll catch all y'all later. We'll see you.